This 2023 Coachmen Brookstone 398 MBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, a silver beach interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, microwave, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, stove top burner, leveling jacks, external shower, water heater, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Brookstone 398 MBL is 13,155 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.